What is up, guys? Welcome back to our channel, where today we are going to discuss the best 6 products according to its performance, budget, value, and more. Check out the description for the latest prices and information. Meepo V5. The Meepo V5 electric skateboard measured just under 36 inches long. Like the V5 ER, it can hit a top speed of 29 miles per hour and comes fitted with dual 500-watt motor. It can tackle incline of 50 degrees without breaking a sweat and is tough enough to support a max weight of 330 pounds. So where's the difference between this board and the V5 ER? Well, it's primarily in the travel distances that you get from each model. Where the V5 ER gives you a range of around 18 miles, the V5 gives you just 10 miles by comparisons. Of course, this range will also be adjusted slightly based on how fast you're traveling. Whether this comparison proved to be a turnoff or not will come down to personal preferences. In terms of its power and performances, the V5 still quite comfortably wins out over much of the competitions. However, suppose you want to take advantage of the extra range battery capability. In that case, you'll probably want to upgrade to the V5 ER. But for the speed demon who enjoys shorter range sprints, the V5 has more than enough power to light your fire. Backfire G2. If you're looking for a hub-driven electric skateboard and you don't want to break the bank, check out the Backfire G2. This affordable option holds its own against the best of the best in the speeds department, clocking an impressive 22 miles per hour maximum speeds during our time trials. The large wheel, wide trucks, and extra long wheelbase ensures that you'll be smashing over cracks and carving high speeds turns all over town. During the range testing, we found that this model falls a bit short of some other models. If you would like to cruise at the lower speeds and make sure that you can go further on one trip, go with a different board. When we climbed hills with G2, we found that it struggled a bit, although it did make it to the top of the testing course. This board falls right about in the middle of the road regarding weight, but it is definitely bulkier than the mini model of the one wheel. Despite these shortcomings, we love shredding this skateboard around town and would recommend it to anybody looking for a style of electric skateboards who is shopping on a budget. WOOKRAZE. Whether you're looking for something small for yourself or even a child, the WOOKRAZE electric skateboard is an excellent option. This pint-sized board is easy to store and tote around and offer plenty of controls to novice and experienced riders alike. It's a lot of fun to maneuver around with a 12 mile per hour top speed that's unremarkable but more sufficient. Also note that while the battery range is just 5 miles, you'll get a full recharging in no more than 2 hours. This wonderfully compact board is just under 9 pounds, and riding it can often feel like you are just gliding on air. This 7-ply maple e-board has a bold, bright design on its grip tape for a maximal looks that'll invite glance from onlookers. It's an Amazon bestseller with nearly 700 rave user reviews, with many buyers calling out its easy remotes, careful speed, and 1-year warranty as well. It's also lightweight for easy carrying, while its slow speeds makes it a great gift for kids. Blizzard Hurricane 38. If you're in the market for electric skateboard, you're unlikely to find anything that truly sits within the budget category. These boards don't come that cheap. Having said that, if you are prepared to make a few compromises here and there, there's money to be saved if you pick a great board like the Blizzard 38 inches Hurricane Electric Longboard. It can reach top speeds of 19 miles per hour and has ranges of 8 to 10 miles depending on how fast you're traveling. Dual 350-watt brushless motor provide the powers, and a wireless remote keeps you in control of accelerations or deceleration, reverse modes, and 2 speed modes. The Blizzard 38 inches Hurricane Electric Longboard is built to handle up to 250 pounds, thanks to its 7-ply maple wood deck. The bamboos gives it a bit more flex, and concave grips tape across the whole deck helps keep the rider and board stuck together like glue. You can also charge it up in under 3 hours, meaning that you never have to wait around for too long between rides on this excellent budget board. Windseeker 450 watts. The Windseeker electric skateboard is a top-quality electric skateboard designed for beginners and experienced riders alike. Featuring a powerful 450-watt brushless motor, This skateboard can reach speeds of that up to 18.6 miles per hour, making it ideal for commuting or cruising around town. With a range of 7.6 miles, you can ride this skateboard for extended periods without having to stop and recharge. Additionally, the skateboard has 3 speed adjustment options, allowing you to customize your riding experience and find the perfect speed for your skill level. The Windseeker electric skateboard is also equipped with a remote control, allowing you to easily control the speed and direction of the skateboard with the touch of a button. The remote control is simple to use and offers intuitive control, making it easy for beginners to get started. Constructed from high-quality materials, the Windseeker electric skateboard is durable and built to last. Whether you are commuting to work or simply enjoying a leisurely ride around town, this skateboard is the perfect option for anyone looking for a high-quality electric skateboard. Team Gi H20 Mini. The Team Gi H20 Mini electric skateboard is a high-quality, powerful longboard perfect for riders of all skill levels. With its remote control, hub motors, and impressive range and speed capabilities, this skateboard is designed for performance and ease of use. The skateboard features a powerful 900-watt dual-hub motor system that delivers impressive speed and acceleration, with top speeds of up to 24 miles per hour. The range is equally impressive, with the maximum ranges of 18 miles on a single charge, making it perfect for long commutes or extended rides. The skateboard is also designed with convenience in mind, with a wireless remote control that allows you to adjust the speeds and direction of the skateboard with ease. There are 4 different speed settings to choose from, making it easy to customize your ride to your preferences and skill level. The skateboard is constructed from high-quality 7-ply maple wood, making it durable and able to support a maximum weight of up to 286 pounds. The wheels are made from high-quality PU material, providing excellent grip and stability on various surfaces. And the Team Gi H20 Mini electric skateboard is a high-quality and powerful longboard that is perfect for riders who want speed, range, and convenience. With its impressive specifications, durable construction, and user-friendly features, this skateboard is a great investment for anyone who's looking to take their riding experience to the next level. Thank you for watching. If you like this video and want to hear more from us, please subscribe to our channel and also hit the bell icon to get notified of our new videos.